The 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, cruise control, heated steering wheel, airbags, front, center, power windows, fog lights, power brakes, clock. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.